Hey everyone, want to join a private server on Roblox? Private servers let you play with friends or invited players in a separate game instance without joining a public server. In this full guide, I'll show you how to join a private server on Roblox in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Roblox and sign in to your account. You'll need to be logged in before you can access private servers. Next, search for the game you want to play and open its experience page. Not every Roblox game offers private servers, so availability depends on the game's developer. If you've been invited to a private server, or the server owner has enabled access for you, you'll see it listed in the private servers section. Click Join to enter the server. Some private server owners share an invite link instead. If you've received an official Roblox private server link, simply open it while you're signed in, then follow the prompts to join. If you can't join the server, verify that the owner has granted you permission, the invite link is still valid, and the server hasn't reached its player limit. You should also check that you're logged into the correct Roblox account. If the game supports it, you can also create your own private server from the private servers section. Depending on the game, creating a private server may require a Robux subscription fee, while some developers offer them for free. And that's how to join a private server on Roblox in 2026. Whether you're using an invitation, a private server link, or creating your own server, private servers are a great way to enjoy Roblox with friends in a more controlled environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.